In this video, I'm going to answer the question that I get asked the most, which is which wood is right for me? Mango, spruce, mahogany, or koa? All right, so welcome to ukelikethepros. This is going to be a fantastic video. I'm Terry Carter. I appreciate you being here. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification. So as a ukulele teacher at ukelikethepros.com, that's my online instructional site. As an influencer with my YouTube, my Instagram, my Facebook, all that stuff. And of course, with my store at ukelikethepros.com. Well, by the way, you can get all these instruments that I'm going to show you today there. I get asked so much, what wood should I get for my ukulele, guitarlele, whatever? Should I get the koa wood? Should I get mango? Should I get the spruce, mahogany? What do all of those sound like? What's the difference? And so I end up having to do a lot of videos or talking to a lot of people. So I figured let's do a video right now and answer that question for you. So what we're going to do here is we're going to be using, now I'm using the Romero's creation, my buddy Pepe Romero Jr. right here and standing with me, his tenor size Guitarlele or ukulele, okay? These are basically ukuleles with 2 extra strings. And the reason why I'm using these is, one, they sound amazing. 2, I have all these different woods in this one instrument. So I didn't want to get different companies or different sizes. I want to use the same instrument. All the specs are exactly the same. The only difference with each one of these are the wood combination, okay? So we're going to try the all-solid mango, the all-solid spruce with mahogany, and of course, the all-solid koa wood. So these, again, if you want the model number, they're RC-TT6, or tiny tenor 6 strings, -MG for the mango, -SM spruce mahogany, and -K for the koa. Again, all of these guitarleles, ukuleles, and ukuleles available at store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, let's dive into it. Which one should we start first? Why should we start first? All right, let's start with the mango. All right, so mango wood is actually a hard wood to get because it's, well, one, it's a fantastic looking and sounding wood. I'll tell you exactly why that is. But it's just it's not that common. You don't see it all the time. And there's a lot of variation in the looks of it. But before we get to that, by the way, just so you know, these are all tenor size. These are called the tiny tenor 6 strings. So they're all tenor size bodies. You have the 17-inch, where is it? 17-inch scale length from the nut to the saddle here. And each one of these nut width here is about 1 7/8, so it's slightly under 2 inches. And the way these are tuned are A, D, so those are the 2 extra strings, and then the bottom 4 strings are like a ukulele, G, C, E, A. Okay, so all right, so yeah, I know maybe ukulele would have been better for this because I do a lot of ukulele, but I didn't have a ukulele that had the same exact model, same specs, and all these different woods, but I do with these fantastic instruments. It's the same sound. You're just going to get a little bit more bass and a little bit more fuller chords because of the 2 extra strings. All right, so mango wood in general is a very soft wood, okay? Again, this is all solid mango. Look at this, very cool. Each one of these mango looks slightly different, okay? So this is just I'm going to show it to you, and I'll do some more playing here. So just absolutely fantastic mango wood. Some of it's a little bit more yellow, orangish. Some of it's a little bit darker. Some of it has a spalting. The spalting is the black streaks. This one doesn't have a lot of spalting in it, but it's usually the black lines that you see in it. But this one does have some nice curl in it, which is the side flame as well. All right, so the mango wood in general, and by the way, as we're going through this, let me know below if you have any of these, not necessarily Romero's creations, but just if you have a mango, do you have a koa, do you have a spruce mahogany, what do you think? And then I want you to know or tell me which one you like as we go through all 3 of these models. And then at the very end, I'll give you my opinion, which I don't have formed right now. I'm going to form it as I'm playing all these, right? So let's do this one more time. I'm just going to do the same thing here on the mango. All right, so mango wood generally is a very warm sounding wood. It's nice and balanced, but it's usually not too bright, not too muddy either. It's just kind of right in the middle, a lot of mid-range sound. All right, you ready to move on? Let's check out the spruce mahogany. All right, so this one is all solid spruce top. Check it out, all solid spruce top. We get the light out of there. Oh, where is it? That's where it's there. It is. And then solid mahogany sides and back. And now this is a very common combination in guitars, especially with the spruce top. Guitars will use a lot of spruce tops, a lot of rosewood, but generally speaking, the spruce top it really pops off the soundboard. Okay, that sound, it rattles off and then it just bam, it explodes out. So you get a lot of projection with the spruce, and also a little bit more in the clarity range, a little bit higher of the EQ range, not so much mids, a little bit of those higher upper range EQs, and then also the mahogany, which is a very common wood used a lot in guitars and ukuleles. It's a pretty hard wood as well, so you're getting a lot. If you want something that's loud, usually this is what builders like to do. So guitar builders, ukulele builders, if they're doing a custom ukulele, they're building what they want, they generally like the spruce top and the mahogany or the rosewood or even koa sides and back. But generally speaking, as you can see, the spruce is not real like flashy. Like the mango, the koa is such a beautiful wood. So the spruce top is a little bit plain. And so I think it kind of draws people off because of that. But sound-wise, projection-wise, the spruce is absolutely incredible. All right, let's check out the next one. This is the koa. All right, so this is the all-star koa. And by the way, don't worry, stick around, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to do all three of these back to back to back, playing the same piece so you can hear them right back and forth. And I'm going to do a little finger picking, some other stuff. I'm just doing a little strumming right now. All right, so koa wood, only grown in the Hawaiian Islands. That's it. You can't get it anywhere else. It's because of the volcanic ash and how it grows there, and the climate and everything. So it's a wood that's obviously, well, if you know anything, it's the main wood that, you know, most ukuleles, or at least people that dream of getting a nice ukulele, are made of. The koa wood is just a beautiful sounding wood. It's a warm wood. It's a resonant wood. It's balanced. It's got nice projection, but not too much. It's got some nice mids, but not too muddy again. It's a really great wood, and obviously it's got a lot of variation. So this is all solid koa wood, sides, back, and top. And this is just absolutely a stunning version of this Romero's creation ukulele. Again, all of these, if you want these, available at store.ukelikethepros.com, and tons and tons of ukuleles, accessories, everything you need for your ukulele needs. Now, by the way, I know this is a Guitarlele, but if you into ukuleles or even Guitarlele, we do a ton of weekly Q&As on Guitarlele and ukulele. We have courses, we have memberships. So check out ukelikethepros.com. Come be part of the Ukulele to Pros Nation. Definitely, you will not, I promise you, regret it. That's what I'm looking for. All right, so these are the three woods. We're going to do some more playing, so don't go anywhere yet. We're going to do the mango, the spruce mahogany, and then the koa again. I'm going to do the same piece so you hear exactly the difference, and I'm going to not do any talking in between. By the way, these are absolutely fantastic builds. So Romero's creation, fantastic instruments, all solid wood, really nice stuff like the ebony fretboard, ebony bridge, the really nice Gota tuners here as well. A lot of quality, a lot of care put into these fantastic Romero's creations. They got tiny tenors, SD concerts, grand tenors, replicas, these guitarleles or galeles, whatever you want to call them. Tons of stuff. So Pepe, my man, he's my buddy. Fantastic instruments if you're looking for that. All right, are you ready? We're going to do them real quick, back to back to back. Let's check it out. All right, so that was Malaguena. All three, the same thing, was not me talking. I'm going to do one more piece here in a second, but before I do, what did you think just of that little piece between the mango, the spruce mahogany, and the koa? Could you hear the difference? Is there one that kind of caught your ear a little bit more? Like, yeah, I really like that one. I like the way the spruce projects, or I like the mango warmth, or I like the koa. Let me know. Put a comment below. I'm going to do one more piece here, just like that, doing the same thing on all three. Let's go back to the mango. All right, so I try to do that where you hear each instrument doing the same exact thing so you can really hear how each one sounds. So again, what did you think? What did you like? There's definitely a huge difference between the mango, the spruce mahogany, and the coil wood. So it's not that one is better or worse than the other. It's what are you looking for? So leave a comment below. I'd love to hear which one you like. So what are your choices again? The mango, the spruce, mahogany, and the koa. So again, leave a comment below. All of these available stored at ukelikethepros.com. Thank you for being here. Oh, wait, which one would I choose? Well, the spruce has definitely got the most sound for sure. In this case, I like the mango. These mangoes, because I've been playing mango a lot lately. I just love the mango. It's got a nice warm sound, but it's really nice and balanced. It's got a little projection. So for my choice today is the mango. What do you choose? Leave that comment below. I appreciate you being here. ukelikethepros.com, stored at ukelikethepros.com, and we'll see you in the next one.